how do you structure content? This is from Manjo. And what tools are you using? How do you structure content and what tools are you using?
Nice. Steven, you want to take that one?
Yeah. So when it comes to content, I mean, content as it stands is a pretty broad term. So I think that for this example, let's just hone in on articles or, like informational articles, just to make it easier. So if we're looking at a topic, that's pretty much where you want to start, is taking your primary keyword, and that's going to be the title of the article or whatever people are going to search for in order to find that article on the receiving end or the opposite side. And so when it comes to structuring the content, you will take a look at all of the things that might be related to that topic and that might add value to their search intent. So if we take a look at like something, maybe like, is SEO hard to learn? Well, then there's going to be a lot of other topics within that talk about like, what is technical SEO? What is on page? How are those, vary in difficulty? So it really kind of, breaks down that topic and then might dive into it. So when structuring an article, for example, you really kind of want to walk through that user's journey and see what would they want or benefit from knowing. And then how can you bake in those other secondary keywords that will help your article rank better and perform better than other competitors. And so by including those secondary keywords and structuring them within headings, the H2s, H3s, FAQs, and doing all of that little kind of like in between detective work, that's really just going to kind of create like a really comprehensive article. And then over time, as Google reads that and understands it, you kind of start to, acquire a whole handful of keywords that people can start to find your article through different paths.
Nice. Connor, you?
I'm going to let him just own the answer there. I would say tools. I think that was thrown on there at the end. We use SEOwind for creating article outlines. We use Ahrefs as like our go-to for looking up anything SEO related. We use Yoast and WordPress, and there's a few others that we tap into, but those are the main ones.